Hi, it's kind of cold outside, and this is my first video. Let's see how it goes. I'm sorry for, it doesn't go that well. But in the end, it has been a lot of fun, and hopefully also some learning. This last 7-8 months, I got a few sticks, stuck them in some pots, and spent my free time reading and watching videos about bonsai. What is bonsai? How to do bonsai? How to take care of trees? How to identify tree specimens? And how to survive the sorrow after losing a tree after a tree dies. Yep, I lost a few sticks because I kind of decided to commit those mistakes. The nice people in the videos I watched warned me not to. And still I am moving on with my quest of one day having a bonsai I did myself. Man, I'm gonna tell you, that will be a really nice day when that happens. Until that day comes, I will keep buying a few trees and work around my sticks and learn a bit more and reading about bonsai and watching more videos. For now, I just want to let my few sticks grow and my trees to survive and develop well. But I really would like to talk a bit about the people who inspired me to actually keep going with my bonsai. It's been a pleasure to do it, and knowing some people on the internet and getting some answers to some questions. And believe me, I ask questions. I used to be a journalist, so there's nothing better than I can do than I ask questions, and I can be a really pain when time comes to get answers. Well, let's go then to my list, and this list is going to be, it's not really like the best or the worst. There's no best or worst when people are willing to spend their time to teach others how to do something, and in this case how to take care of trees, and how to do bonsai, and how to enjoy it. And for me especially, and this is kind of personal, it's a bit of a therapy because I have multiple sclerosis. There's not a lot I can do anymore, and it's kind of tough, but you gotta keep busy, and you gotta keep your mind at work, and you gotta keep sharp. That's what I tell everybody with this disease. Let's keep sharp and find something to do, and hope for the best. If today was not worse than yesterday, well, it was a good day. So let's go with this list, and I hope you guys enjoy it.